Hello everybody, today we're gonna see about color theory basics. Create cohesive color palettes using color mixing. For that, first you have to know about color wheels. This is a color wheel where you can see primary colors, secondary colors and all the others. Red, blue and yellow are the primary colors where it can be mixed to create all other colors. Purple, green and orange are the secondary colors which are created by mixing primary colors. Purple is created from red and blue, green is created from blue and yellow, and orange is created from yellow and red. These are tertiary colors which are created from mixing primaries and secondaries together. When we summarize about color wheels, primary colors can be mixed to create all the other colors. Secondary colors are created by mixing primaries and tertiary colors are created by mixing primaries and secondaries together. Now let's look about color theory terms. The name of a color is known as hue. The intensity of purity of a hue is known as saturation. The degree of lightness and darkness of a hue is known as value. Here you can see the difference between hue, saturation and value. A color produced by adding black is known as shades. Here you can see blue shade and green shade color palette. When we add white color to another color, it will create a tint. A hue produced by adding grey is known as tone. For your example, human skin tone color palette is presented here. Here you can see the different color tones of a scenario. We have two different color temperatures. One is warm and another one is cool. Red, orange and yellow are warm colors and purple, green and blue are cool colors. Next, let's look about color schemes. Monochromatic color scheme is adding white, black or grey to another color in order to create tints, tones and shades. Complementary colors is colors that sit across from each other on the color wheel. It is clearly shown in this figure. For example, red color is sitting across to green color. Analogous scheme is 2 to 4 colors next to each other on the color wheel. In times, it will look like equal colors. Triadic scheme is 3 colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel. In other words, it will create a triangle. Split complementary scheme is a base color and the other 2 colors adjacent to its complementary color. Triadic scheme is 4 colors arranged into 2 complementary pairs in order to make a rectangle. And finally, square scheme is 4 complementary colors evenly spaced around the color wheel in order to make a square. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you soon with another interesting video.